Welcome to the ultimate guide on mastering the customer journey. I'm going to walk you through the 5 critical stages that transform complete strangers into passionate brand advocates: awareness, consideration, purchase, loyalty, and advocacy. Let's start with the awareness stage, the foundation of your entire customer journey. This is when potential customers first discover your brand as a solution to their problem or need. They're not actively searching for your specific product yet, but they're experiencing a pain point that your solution can address. The key here is strategic visibility. Your top acquisition channels should include content marketing through blogs, videos, and podcasts that provide genuine value. Social media presence and targeted advertising help you reach new audiences, while SEO optimization ensures you're discoverable when people search for solutions. Don't underestimate the power of PR media coverage and word-of-mouth referral programs. Looking at the data, organic search typically drives 35% of customer acquisition, making it your most valuable channel. Social media follows at 25%, paid advertising at 20%, referrals at 15%, and direct traffic at 5%. These numbers tell a story. People trust organic discovery and peer recommendations more than paid promotions. Your key metrics at this stage include website traffic and new visitor counts, social media reach and impressions, brand search volume, and ad impressions with click-through rates. Remember, awareness isn't just about being seen, it's about being remembered when the need arises. Now we move to the consideration stage, where customers actively research and compare different solutions. This is where the magic happens. They're weighing pros and cons, looking for the best fit for their specific needs and budget. Your job is to be their trusted guide through this decision-making process. This stage demands detailed product information and transparent comparisons that highlight your unique value proposition. Customer testimonials and case studies provide social proof that builds confidence. Free trials, demos, and samples let prospects experience your solution firsthand. Educational content that addresses specific pain points positions you as an expert, while responsive customer support shows you care about their success. The radar chart in our presentation reveals what customers really care about during evaluation. Quality ranks highest at 90% importance, followed by price at 85%, features at 80%, reviews at 75%, brand trust at 70%, and customer support at 65%. This data should guide where you invest your resources. Track metrics like time spent on product pages, return visit rates, content engagement levels, and email open and click-through rates. These indicators show how effectively you're nurturing prospects through their evaluation process. The purchase stage is where customers make their buying decision. They've evaluated all options and determined that your offering best meets their needs. But here's the critical point: this stage can still present significant obstacles that derail conversions. Our data shows the top purchase barriers. Unexpected costs account for 30% of abandoned purchases. Complex checkout processes cause 25% of drop-offs. Payment issues create 20% of problems. Security concerns affect 15%, and general indecision impacts 10% of potential buyers. To optimize conversions, focus on creating a streamlined checkout process with minimal steps. Provide clear pricing with no hidden fees, and offer multiple payment options, including digital wallets. Limited time offers and incentives can create urgency, while abandoned cart recovery campaigns recapture lost sales. Trust signals like security badges, money-back guarantees, and customer reviews displayed at checkout build final confidence. Your essential metrics include conversion rate, average order value, cart abandonment rate, and cost per acquisition. These numbers directly impact your bottom line and reveal optimization opportunities. Loyalty is where customers become repeat buyers and develop a genuine preference for your brand over competitors. This stage is incredibly valuable because acquiring new customers costs 5 times more than retaining existing ones, and the lifetime value of loyal customers grows exponentially over time. Effective loyalty strategies include comprehensive rewards programs that offer meaningful benefits, personalized communications based on purchase history and preferences, exclusive access to new products or features before general release, consistent quality and service that exceeds expectations, and proactive customer support that anticipates needs. The value proposition is compelling. Our chart shows that by year 2, loyal customers are worth 175% of their initial purchase value. By year 3, this grows to 250%, year 4 reaches 300%, and by year 5, loyal customers can be worth 350% of their original value. This exponential growth makes retention your most profitable investment. Monitor customer retention rate, repeat purchase rate, customer lifetime value, and loyalty program engagement. These metrics reveal the health of your customer relationships and predict future revenue streams. The final stage, advocacy, transforms satisfied customers into brand ambassadors who actively promote your business to others. These customers provide testimonials, referrals, and positive reviews that influence new prospects more effectively than any marketing campaign. The business impact is remarkable. Advocate-referred customers have 60% lower acquisition costs because trust is pre-established. They show 70% higher lifetime value due to stronger initial commitment. Conversion rates are 50% better because recommendations carry more weight than advertising. Brand trust increases by 80% when prospects hear from real customers rather than marketing messages. Encourage advocacy through structured referral programs with meaningful rewards, user-generated content campaigns that showcase customer success, community-building initiatives that create belonging, exclusive insider benefits that make advocates feel special, and recognition programs that celebrate their contributions. Track your Net Promoter Score as the primary advocacy metric, along with referral conversion rates, social media mentions and shares, and customer-generated content volume. These indicators show how effectively you're turning customers into growth drivers. Success requires measuring the right metrics at each stage. Our comprehensive metrics chart shows 2 critical trends. Customer volume decreases as you move through the funnel from 100% awareness to 20% advocacy, but customer value increases dramatically from 10% at awareness to 100% at advocacy. Each stage has specific KPIs. Awareness focuses on reach metrics like website traffic, brand mentions, and search volume. Consideration tracks engagement through time on site, return visits, and content interaction. Purchase measures conversion efficiency with rates, order values, and abandonment metrics. Loyalty evaluates relationship strength through retention rates, repeat purchases, and lifetime value. Advocacy assesses amplification through NPS scores, referral rates, and user-generated content. Optimizing the customer journey requires 4 fundamental principles that successful businesses follow religiously. First, ensure seamless integration across all touchpoints and stages. Your customers should experience consistency whether they interact with your website, social media, customer service, or physical locations. Second, make data-driven decisions by continuously collecting and analyzing metrics at each stage. This data reveals improvement opportunities and guides resource allocation. Third, maintain a customer-centric approach that focuses on solving customer problems rather than just promoting products or services. When you genuinely help customers succeed, they become natural advocates. Fourth, invest in nurturing relationships through loyalty and advocacy programs. These initiatives transform customers into brand ambassadors who drive sustainable growth. Remember, the customer journey is continuous and cyclical. Today's advocates become tomorrow's awareness drivers through referrals and recommendations, creating a self-sustaining growth engine for your business. By understanding and optimizing each stage, you'll build stronger customer relationships, increase lifetime value, and drive long-term success. Thank you for watching this comprehensive guide. If you found this valuable, subscribe for more business growth strategies, and let me know in the comments which stage you want to focus on first in your business.